Hello, Zama developers. Welcome to Cocoon, your one stop destination for building with confidential ERC7984 pairs on the Zama blockchain. It does by turning the Zama's official wrapper registry into a user facing app. The goal is composability, where developers should use official wrappers instead of spinning up isolated test assets that do not work together. So, Cocoon is registry for safety and a one signature portfolio where you can decrypt every confidential registry balance you hold with a single EIP712 permit instead of one wallet prompt per token. So let us see all of this in action. So you can just go ahead and open the workbench. It supports both Ethereum testnet and mainnet. So once I'm connected with my wallet, on the left side, you are seeing all of the ERC20 tokens, of which I've chosen the USDC mock. And first of all, the step one is it checks from the registry, and this is Zama's official registry. And once it checks and verifies that the pair is valid, then you can start and go ahead and do all of this action, which include minting the tokens first. So first of all, I will be signing this transaction, and this is super fast transaction. You will get the Explorer link as well. And the second thing that you want to do is like approve for wrapping this ERC20 token into ERC984 token. And once you have approved, the next step is wrapping the approved tokens. So here I'll be choosing the wrapping of the approved tokens. And the best part about this is you can change the amount of how much you need to wrap the token. And the next thing is once you have wrapped and once you see that the transaction has been successful, currently it's indexing and it just indexes fast. You can see that 10,000 tokens were minted to my wallet. Now I will be trying to decrypt my balance, and I will be seeing that this will request a EIP712 signature, so only the owner can decrypt a user's balance. In this case, I'm the user, so this is my decrypted balance. So this is like CUSDC mock, and the next action that you can do is request unwrap. So I'll be unwrapping some half amount of the tokens that I have wrapped. Here you guys can see that this is encrypting the unwrap amount 5,000 for CUSDC mock, and I will have to sign this transaction. And it's all happening like live, and you can just see the Explorer link if you just refresh it. Yes, that went successful. And now if I try to decrypt my balance, I will see that my decrypted balance is half of what I initially had as the confidential token. Now you can see that we also have like gold and the Zama token, and below this you will be able to see the unwrap finalization helper and all the transaction and the proof history. This is all fetched from the like all the actions are fetched from what you did on Zama, and this is like you can even import an unverified wrapper. So you can paste any ERC7984 address and it will just pull it up. So these are all verified from the Zama blockchain. But since this is like all testnet, so you can even bring your unverified tokens out here. So on this operator console, you can your transaction this captures all the full wrappers lifecycle from registry pair to amount, and you can like customize everything out here. Then we have like portfolio. So this is like one signature and you can get every registry balance. So you first of all, like as you can see that these are all the tokens and these are all the wrapper addresses. Now first of all I can just scan my balance. So this will just scan and this will give me, so as you can see that currently in this wallet, this is the CUSDC mock that I have minted. The rest of the balance is 0 and it will just fetch. So this is like one non-zero handle. So now I'll be decrypting my portfolio. And so even if I had like two so CUSDT mock, it will just decrypt it like in just one signature. So you can just fetch your portfolio using just one signature, and then you can check the registry health. This has like anomaly report, and so if there's like a fake or like a registry pair that is malicious and has been created by someone else, then it will just show it itself in the registry health. And this is very important for spotting the bad pairs before you wrap. And this is like the health score where there's just one registry warning, and then we have like developer docs. So everything a consuming app needs to validate the registry, and it calls the selected pair and keep decrypt or unwrap flows behind explicit proofs. So here you can see this is like the integration snippet, and here you can see all the developer checklist, and this is like dynamic. So what I mean by that is like here you can see that the all the contract mapping, and now here you can so currently this is being chosen, but if you choose this, it will automatically update itself in this code. So now the wrapper address is FCE5, which is the one that I just selected for the demo, which is the GPP, the Britain. And now with all the developer docs, this also tells you what you can build with Cocoon. Now that you have like all the confidential wrappers which unlock apps that public ERC20s cannot, like confidential payrolls, sealed bid auctions, confidential airdrops, private staking and rewards, and all of these use cases get enabled with the help of a wrapper registry that Cocoon supports, utilizing Zama. And for the mainnet, this address automatically changes to the mainnet, and you can check your balances on the mainnet. So that's like a read only on the Ethereum blockchain. So Cocoon supports both testnet and mainnet. Thank you so much for watching.